Hello friends, today we are going to start our third chapter from Maths Part 2. The name of chapter is Circle, and the points which are going to study in it are circles passing through 1, 2 and 3 points, then touching circles, then secant and tangent, arc of a circle, inscribed angle, intercepted arc, cyclic quadrilateral. All these points we have to study. So first, see some revision. You know about diameter, radius, center, chord, all these terms in the circle. Now here are some circles. First pair of circle is congruent circles, means circle having same radii, एकरूप वर्तुळ ज्यांच्या त्रिज्या समान आहेत. In second figure, the center of circle is common to both the circle. These circles are called as concentric circle, एककेंद्री circles. Here are two circles which intersect each other, जे छेदणारी वर्तुळ असं आपण त्यांना म्हणतो. You know the properties of chord. You studied it as a theorem in 9th standard. What is property of chord? Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. This is the property which is given you as activity. On page number 47 you complete it. Now next one is circles passing through 1 point, 2 point and 3 points. First of all, circle passing through 1 point. In the figure, point A is given. Here is point A and circle with center P, circle with center R and circle with center Q are passing through point A. So how many more such circles may pass through point A? Your answer is many or innumerable, and it is correct. Means we can draw innumerable circle passing through point A by changing only radius. Means infinite number of circles passing through a point. याचा अर्थ काय? एका बिंदूमधून अनंत वर्तुळ काढता येतात. So how many circle passing through 2 points and how many circle passing through 3 non-collinear points? First see how many circle passing through 2 points. See here, A and B are 2 points given, and if we join this point A and B, the segment AB is formed, and if we draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment AB, then every point from the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from point A and B. So we can draw infinitely many circles which are passing through point A and B. Means we can draw infinitely many circles passing through two distinct points. For this purpose, you have to remember the theorem which you learned earlier, perpendicular bisector theorem. And how many circles passing through these 3 points which are non-collinear A, B and C? If we draw segment AB, segment BC and segment EC, the triangle is formed. What is formed? Triangle is formed, and if we bisect each side of triangle, then 3 bisector of sides of triangle met in a single point or are concentric. And if we draw the circle, this circle as a taking center, taking center the point of intersection of bisector, and if we draw the circle passing through these 3 points. and we can draw only one circle which is passing through three non-collinear points. Think about when these 3 points are collinear, means point C is here, ACB or ABC, these points are collinear. Then no circle can pass through these 3 collinear points. It means infinite circles pass through one point. This is first point. Second, infinite circle pass through 2 distinct points. Third one, there is a unique circle. Only one circle passing through 3 non-collinear points. And fourth one is no circle pass through 3 collinear points. म्हणजे एका बिंदूतून अनंत वर्तुळ काढता येतात, 2 बिंदूतून अनंत वर्तुळ काढता येतात. This property is for practical. मॅथ्स प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये ही प्रॉपर्टी जी आहे इन्फायनाइट सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू 2 डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट हे आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिकलनी सिद्ध करता येतं. सो देयर इज प्रॅक्टिकल ऑन दिस सेकंड पॉइंट. नाउ secant and tangent. So what is secant, what is tangent? In the first figure, here no any point is a common to circle and this line L with center A. म्हणजे हा पहिली आकृती की ज्याच्यामध्ये A सेंटर असलेलं वर्तुळ आणि लाईन L यांना एकही पॉइंट कॉमन नाही. Here is a point B is a common, point P is a common with line M and the circle with center B. Hence this M line is called as a tangent of the circle and point P is called the point of contact. Now in third figure, 2 points are common to circle and line N. Circle with center C and line L have 2 common points Q and R. These points Q and R are intersecting points of line N and circle. हे रेषा N आणि वर्तुळ यांचे हे छेदणारे बिंदू आहेत. Such a line is called as secant. Means secant is a line which intersect the circle in 2 distinct points is called secant. What is tangent? Tangent is a line to the circle having one and only one common point between one and one common point to circle and the line. So here we stop. You have to write what is tangent, what is secant, and define concentric circles, define congruent circles, and define intersecting circles. Thank you.